ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Hello everyone, dear students. I am Yogananda, teaching you mathematics. I am teaching polynomials for class 10 for Telangana state and AP for Venkanna classes. So all of you understand the concepts first. The topic name is polynomials. First, let me define the word polynomial. What is a polynomial? I will tell you the definition first. It is an expression consisting of variables and real numbers is called a polynomial. So I have given you the definition for polynomial. So a polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and real numbers. What is a variable? Let me explain you what is a variable. Here I am writing variables. X is a variable. You can give x any number. Y is a variable. Z is also a variable. Like this, x, y, z are called variables. Suppose we take numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are all numbers. We use the numbers and variables in our expression. In our expression to form a polynomial. So I will write one simple example. X minus 5 is a polynomial. Three x square minus 2x plus 1 is also a polynomial. Here what is the variable? I write variable here x. Here also it is variable x. But you can see here in this term x is there with power 1. This is the exponent of the term containing x. X power 1, x power 2, these numbers are called exponents. Basing on these exponents, we now can define the degree of a polynomial. Now I will explain what is the degree of a polynomial. In any polynomial or whatsoever expression you write, it has got one variable. Sometimes it has 2 variables, 3 variables also. But in our example, we have one variable x. What is the highest power of x in all these terms? 1. So this 1 is called the degree of the polynomial. It is also sometimes mentioned as order of the polynomial. So, x minus 5 is in terms of variable x, and order or degree is, I write here, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is 1. What is this 3x squared minus 2x plus 1? It has variable x and degree 2. So, these are the simple examples for polynomials in one variable x. So, let me erase this and now take the original. Dear students, let me tell you one generalized example for an expression. So, I am writing a generalized example for an expression with variable x having degree n. What about this n? It is a non-negative integer. Remember always that in a polynomial, the degree of a polynomial is always n, which is definitely non-negative integer. Be very cautious about this non-negative integer. It can be 0, but it cannot be negative. So, I am now writing one such expression, or which is a polynomial. I will start x power n because I have taken degree n. The next one, it should be less than n. So, I am taking n minus 1, and it goes like this, n minus 2, and it goes up to x power 1, and it goes up to x power 0 also. This many terms are there in our polynomial. So, every term has a coefficient which is a real number. Now, I am taking a n, x power n is one term. Next term a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus so on. If you want to write, you can write this as a n minus 3 x power n minus 3 and so on. At one stage, we are going to see the last one. It is a 1 x power 1. Next one is a naught x power 0. X power 0 is 1. Therefore, you can write it as a naught or a 0 and leave it. So, this is the general form of a polynomial having variable x and degree n, a n x power n and so on. You can do this in a different way also. This is written in a different form, more friendly. You can start with a naught x power n plus a 1 x power n minus 1 plus a 2 x power n minus 2. Look at the sequence here, 0 n minus 0, 1 n minus 1, 2 n minus 2 and so on. So, when you go to a n, what it could be? X power n minus n, which is x power 0, which is 1. Therefore, you can write it as x power 0, and this is the polynomial in general. You can take this as the general polynomial or this also as the general polynomial. Both look good for general polynomial, remember that. So, these two are the general polynomials in degree n. Now, I erase this and come back to examples in which you can see some polynomials in degree 3, variable x degree 3. You can start with what? X power 3, then the next one should be x power 2, then the next one should be x power 2 minus 1, 1, then the next one should be x power 0. So, you can just put any real numbers, 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5x. This is also written as 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. It is a polynomial after simplification in one variable x having degree 3. Understood? This is one example. Shall we change this into another? Shall we take one variable, say for example, I take variable as y and the degree is 2. Now, I am going to write one polynomial having variable y and a degree 2. We should start with what? Y square, y power 1 and y power 0. So, you can write any real constants, 3y square plus 2y power 0 plus 1y power, this should be 1, I am sorry, 3y square 2y power 1, 1y power 0. This is now simplified to 3y square plus 2y plus 1 is a polynomial in variable y having degree 2. Understood? Now, I will tell you the types of polynomials.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
What are the types of polynomials? All these types of polynomials are now classified by its degree and variable. But for our class 10 in Telangana state and AP state, because our syllabus is confined to one variable more or less, we are now fixing up variable x. We can take two variables also, we are fixing variable as x only. Degree can be 1, 2, 3, so on, but for our syllabus we take degree 1, variable x. With degree 1, variable x, we will start one polynomial, x power 1 plus x power 0. Remember that it should start with x power, highest power should be 1 and it should get reduced till the 0. So, I will start with 3x power 1 plus 4x power 0, which is simplified as 3x plus 4. So, what is this type? This type is called degree 1 type, or order 1 polynomial or linear polynomial. The special name for this is, it is a linear polynomial. Let me repeat it. A polynomial having degree 1 and one variable is called linear polynomial. In our earlier definition, you learnt about the polynomials. Now, what is linear polynomial? A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. If degree is 2, variable is also x, then you will start with x square and x square, x power 1 and x power 0. I will write here 3x square, 2x plus 5. So, it is simplified into 3x square plus 2x plus 5. This is a polynomial having degree 2. This is called quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Having degree 2. Quadratic means 2. Quadratic. Second degree polynomial is called quadratic polynomial, special name. Or you can say degree 2 polynomial, second degree polynomial, second order polynomial, anything. But in general, order 2 polynomial or degree 2 polynomial, but a specific name quadratic polynomial. Now, we will fix it up 3. One variable x, start with x cube, x square, x power 1, x power 0. So, these are the terms containing x cube, x square, x power 1, x power 0. I will generalize this now. A x cube plus b x square plus c x power 1 plus d. So, you can write it as a x cube plus b x square plus c x plus d. Here a should be non-zero. Remember that it should be always non-zero. Otherwise, if this is not there, it becomes quadratic polynomial. What is this polynomial called? third degree polynomial or order 3 polynomial or cubic polynomial. Now you learnt 3 types of polynomials. What are they? Degree 1 polynomial, which is otherwise called as linear polynomial, special name. Degree 2 polynomial or ordered second order polynomial. What is the special name for that? Quadratic polynomial. Degree 3 polynomial or order 3 polynomial, or you can say third order polynomial too. It is called cubic. What is cube? Cube means 3. Cubic polynomial. It is a third degree polynomial. Now I have written a general third degree polynomial. And now I write one second degree general polynomial here, ax square plus bx plus c. Here also a should be non-zero. This is with numbers as coefficients. This is general. This is a general third degree polynomial. This is a general quadratic polynomial. What about the general linear polynomial? I will write it here for your convenience. Ax plus b comma a non-zero. This is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, general form. Quadratic polynomial, general form. Cubic polynomial, general form. These are all examples. Now let us see some examples and their degrees, and at the same time I will write some examples wherein we will notice whether they are really polynomials or not. If they are not polynomials, why they are not polynomials? If it is a polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial? If it is a polynomial, what is the variable of the polynomial? That we will learn now. Shall we learn? Now I am writing few examples, whether they are polynomials or not, we will see. Validation, this is called validation of the polynomial. Verify whether the following are polynomials or not. First one, I am writing one example here. Second one, 1 by x plus 5. I am writing 5 examples. I have written now 5 examples.